So this is my project, which is a chat web application in which users can create their private rooms or can join any private room if he or she have the correct credentials for joining that room. Let's see the practical. Let's say we have two users. This is the user 1 and this is user 2. Let's say the first user have the login credentials and he tries to log in. Let's say the username is Biden, and the first time when the users try to submit it, if the user is submitting it first time, as he will be not having the JSON web token, so he have to submit it again, because the first time the JSON web token will be stored in the browser if the credentials are true. Let's say so this the user has been logged in, and this is the place where the all the rooms that the Biden user has joined will be shown. Let's say the second user doesn't have the login credentials. He will sign up, and let's say the name is Darth or Vader. Let me say Darth submit. The After submitting, he will log in. Darth. First time the token will be generated, and the second time he hits submit button, he will get logged in into the rooms if the credentials are true. Let's say now the user Biden and the user Darth wants to talk to each other. So let's say they wants to talk in the France room. So the Biden will join the room, and the Darth has no room joined, and he wants to talk to the Biden in the room named as France. So he will join the room with the credentials of the room. If the credentials are true, then only he can join the rooms. Let's say he hit submit. If the credentials are true, he will join the room. So as the credentials were true, he will join the room. And now if he this is the these messages are the all messages that was in the room earlier. Let's say he say, hi, I am the emperor. Darth has sent the message, so the message has reached both places. Let's say he says, so what? So the username which has sent the message, this is the message and the timing at which the message was sent. Oh, so we have used WebSockets for live chatting. And let's see the create room options. Let's say the Darth wants to create a new room, a new private room. So he will he has to send a unique room name. Let's say the room name is galactic galactic galactic. If the room name is unique, the room will be created, and he will join the room. And let's say the Biden wants to join the room. So now till now he hasn't any room named as galactic, so he have to join the room. Let's say he give the room, but he give the wrong credentials, so he will be not joining the room. So you can see in the backend there is no new room. Okay, and let's say he give the right credentials, so he will join the room. You can see in the backend a new room has been added. So let's say they both want to talk. Hi sir, army is ready. Okay, the find Padme and Anakin. Yeah, so this is all the functionality, like we can join the room, we can create a room, and this is we can chat to the other users on the platform. And now let's see the tech stack which we have used to create our project. Let's see. So this is the tech stack which we have used. The tech stack which we mainly used for the backend, we have used Node, and for creating the server we have used Express. And we have followed the pattern which we have followed in our project is the MVC pattern, model view controller. So the whole code source code is in the MVC pattern. So we have like the models. In models we have message, room, user, and this type of models we have. Models, we have repository will be communicating with the models or to the database. In models we have these schemas of the um, um, table or collections. So this is model repository, and we have services, all the services, room service, user service, and all. So this is, and to that services, like say we have now controllers, so we will be having all the controllers in that, message controller, room controller, and all. And to controllers we have routes. Let's say we have the version 1 routes, and so we have followed the REST API architecture. So these all are the routes which are defined here, and these routes are and these are middlewares that we have used, like is the user valid who wants to update the username or who wants to create a room. So is the user valid, and let's say he have to send the message for, so in the message module we have middlewares like is user valid, does he have the same username in the URL, does the whether the user have joined the room or not in which he have to send the message. So these are the routes that are defined. um, and we have used JSON web token for authentication. We have mongoose we used as our database. We didn't have used mysql, as we do not have to perform any some complex mathematical queries, and as mongoose is a NoSQL which is in the data stored in the form of objects, so it is easier to work with mongoose while creating a chat based application. Okay, for the live connection we are using socket.io package. We have also used like bcrypt for encrypting our message. So every message, either the user message or the room message, sorry, password is being encrypted before storing. So we can check in the models like the user. So before storing we have used the hooks. In hooks we are encrypting the message before saving into the collection. So, and so this is all the backend part which we have implemented. So why I have created this project? I have created this project to implement all the things that I have till now learned in the backend. Let's talk about the front end part. So the front end part, we have normally simply used HTML, CSS and JavaScript for creating our front end. So there is nothing, some things to flex and more to show. So this is the whole project that we have created. So this is my chat web application, which is similar to Discord, in which users can talk to each other in a private room, or can share that room credentials to the other users or peoples to talk together. Thank you.